Egomania. Meaning, noun, an excessive and pathological preoccupation with oneself, often accompanied by self-centeredness, vanity, and an inflated sense of self-importance. Example, his egomania made it difficult for him to work effectively in a team, as he always sought the spotlight. Example, the celebrity's constant self-promotion and egomania had a negative impact on their public image. Hypnosis. Meaning, noun, a trance-like state of focused attention, heightened suggestibility, and deep relaxation, often induced by a trained hypnotist to facilitate behavior changes, reduce pain, or explore subconscious thoughts. Example, the therapist used hypnosis as a relaxation technique to help the client manage anxiety and stress. Example, stage hypnotists entertain audiences with demonstrations of the power of suggestion during hypnosis. Cataplasm. Meaning, noun, a poultice or soft, moist mass applied to the skin, often medicated, to treat injuries, inflammation, or discomfort. Example, a cataplasm is a medical dressing or poultice used to soothe or heal a skin condition. Example, the herbal cataplasm was applied to the injured athlete's knee to reduce swelling and pain. Adolescence. Meaning, noun, the period of human development that occurs between childhood and adulthood, typically marked by physical, emotional, and social changes. Example, adolescence is a transitional phase of development marked by physical, emotional, and social changes. Example, during adolescence, individuals often grapple with questions of identity and independence. Oaf. Meaning, noun, a clumsy, awkward, or boorish person, often used to describe someone who is socially inept. Example, he meant well, but his clumsiness and awkwardness often earned him the label of an oaf in social situations. Example, don't underestimate him just because he appears to be a bit of an oaf, he's actually quite intelligent. Jade. Meaning, noun, a green mineral often used for carving and jewelry. Verb, to make weary or exhausted, typically by overexertion. Example, the ancient statue was carved from a piece of jade, a stone highly valued for its beauty and cultural significance. Example, she wore a delicate jade bracelet that had been passed down through generations, each piece of the stone symbolizing family heritage. Nacelle. Meaning, noun, an enclosed compartment or housing, often referring to the streamlined housing for an aircraft's engine or the structure of a wind turbine. Example, the hot air balloon's nacelle held the passengers, providing them with a stunning view from above. Example, the engineer examined the nacelle of the aircraft to ensure it was functioning correctly. Hostility. Meaning, noun, a state of being unfriendly, antagonistic, or openly opposed to someone or something. Example, the hostility between the two rival gangs escalated into a dangerous conflict. Example, de-escalation techniques are used to defuse hostility during negotiations. Axiomatic. Meaning, adjective, self-evident or universally accepted as true. Example, the axiomatic statement that 2 + 2 = 4 is something that everyone knows. Example, the axiomatic principles of science are used to explain the natural world. Consequential. Meaning, adjective, important and having important results. Example, the consequential decision would have a major impact on the company. Example, the consequential scientific discovery would revolutionize the field.